Hello guys and welcome to Ektaju. Ektaju is all about DIY ideas, miniatures, art and craft. Christmas wave is on. So let's create something interesting for this Christmas. Let's begin with the supplies first.
MDF board, silver foil, cutter and pen, scissors, golden wire,
Glue gun.
green glitter, and 3D outliner. First, draw this Christmas tree design on board. Now, cut this design with the help of cutter. Cut small star also. Take a silver foil and crush it. Once the foil is crushed, stick this on the MDF board. Cover a complete board and the star with the silver foil.
Now let's make a base for a Christmas tree. Stick this with glue gun.
Now make a small ball of this silver foil and now attach this ball with the help of golden wire like this. Now take outliner and glitter for decoration. And this is ready.
I hope you enjoyed the making of this Christmas tree. If you like the video, do give thumbs up and subscribe to Ektajiv, because Ektajiv is all about DIY ideas, miniatures, art and craft. See you soon with a brand new video. Till then, tata, bye bye, sayonara.